thank you, Griha, for organizing it. I do appreciate. Now, we are specifically talking about decarbonization of Kerala. When I say that, I'm not touching the other state, I'm not touching India, I'm not touching the world. And our main problem is from policy to implementation. How can we shift from policy to implementation? Now, if you want to shift from policy to implementation, you have to move away from checklist to human well-being. Change and adoption is required, and there is a time frame for it which has to happen. Yes, we have done more interaction. Yes, we have done more of capacity building. Yes, we have done more of creating more of energy experts. But the key question is here, have we done enough for human well-being, societal growth and cultural integration? I dream of a Kerala where resilience is not just a slogan. I dream of a Kerala where climate ready living is not just a luxury product. I dream of a Kerala where our policymakers, our neighborhood and design intelligence come together to shape the future that is greener, fairer and unmistakably our own Kerala.
Okay, thank you.